Hello guys, today I'm really excited to present it to you my upcoming video app called Vid Invision. It's a really cool application. Basically the idea came in my mind when I saw marketers presenting their videos in a really old-fashioned way. For example, let me show you a blog. Here's a blog of Brett Rotecki, a great marketer and a good friend of mine. So you can see how he's presenting videos. It's a really old-fashioned way that people are still using to present their videos for their subscribers. For me, it's hardly getting any users' attention. With Vid Invision app, how you can display this video on your blog, for example, that video can be displayed in as this in a really cool high definition markup, and that is grabbing the user's attention right away. And it's a really cool way to present the app. It's like what I say, it's a 2016 kind of way where you are grabbing people's attention and engagement using these kind of things. For example, another blog, take a look at this. Mike from Main's blog, he's also a good friend of mine, Mike Thomas, and you can see his video presentation is also like this in a very old-fashioned way. With Vid Invision app, this video can be looked as this in a really awesome markup, high definition, and you visitors grabbing visitors attention and right away. So it's what Vid Invision is doing. Another example you can see is his horse blog. He's a very good friend of mine, and although it's his presentation is already very good, but still this presentation can be much more better with Vid Invision app. For example, he can display his videos like this in a really awesome way. So that's what Vid Invision is doing. It's helping marketers to present their videos in a really high definition and attention grabbing style. Not only on WordPress, but users can display their videos inside their custom HTML sites, on their JV pages, sales pages. For example, you can see our sales page. It's a Vid Invision sales page, and you can see his Sam Bakker inside this uh, really cool attention grabbing video presentation. So that's what Vid Invision actually does. And here's the overall interface of the application, and it's very cool, easy to use. And let me show you how easy it is to create campaigns with Vid Invision. For example, let's go out there and create a new campaign. Okay, so basically this is the interface of campaign where user can create their new campaigns, and it takes hardly a minute to create a new campaign. It depends on what features they are willing to add into their campaign. For example, here user can add any name which they wanted to give to the campaign. For example, here in my case I'm giving Vid Invision. Okay, so now user can select any video. Like if he is using a big YouTube video, he can select a YouTube video and put their YouTube video ID here. Or if you have a Vimeo video, you can display the Vimeo video inside the markup. Another feature of that application is you can add autoplay option, that when somebody visits your page, that video will be automatically played. Plus you can add splash images all inside the videos. You can choose from our existing HD images, plus we are adding more images there, or you can upload your own or add your own URL there and display whatever image you want on your thumb as a thumbnail image of your markup. Plus here we have the high definition markups which you can choose from and put any markup anywhere you want. It will be in the HTML form or a WordPress code for WordPress websites. Here are the play icons which we have given to users, which they can choose from. Whatever they want to add there, they can choose from. The color and the type of play button, it just grabs user attention and looks pretty nice. And here the markup dimensions. User can add any dimensions, any width, height as per his requirement, and the placement of on his blog, or whatever in right or in left, or he can just leave it as none. Here's the call to action feature, which user can add call to action buttons inside that video. He can add anything he wants there and see how it's looking, like 4,339 leads has been rated using this, and he can find out more here. So he can add any title there, any button text there, then he can add a redirect URL, and after clicking that button, that user will be redirected to a particular offer or page he wants to add. He can change headline color of the hair, and he can change button text as well. He can change layout background of uh, this whole call to action by from here, and he can specify any delay that after playing the video, after how many seconds he want that particular call to action button displayed on the video. So here we have the banner feature as well. User can upload his banner image and put a redirect URL and display whenever he wants inside the video. And here's the most important feature of this application, that is the lead generation. User can add any of the title, the same title I would like to add here, 3,339 leads has been rated. So you can see that user can add whatever he wants here. There he can also upload the image file by choosing any image there right away, and the image will be displayed here. User can change any button text, click here now. So he can add anything he wants inside his opt-in form, and he can select any autoresponder there. We have given all three major autoresponders which everybody is using nowadays. So he can select any autoresponder and specify the delay whenever he wants to display that opt-in form inside the video. This is one more feature. It's a very cool feature that user can add after watching the video or during watching the video. He can choose any of the buy buttons from here, or he can upload any of the buttons and his campaign will be created. So this is the user can go to the home page and he will find the campaign along with his name, and he can choose that where he wants to display that campaign. If he wants to display that campaign on a HTML website, he can just click on it and copy this code and just paste it wherever he wants on this HTML website. If you want to display it on a WordPress website, he can select this WordPress code here and display it on any WordPress website. Plus we already have given a WordPress plugin when user can install that WordPress plugin, and after that he can use this shortcode inside WordPress website so that it will display these campaigns inside his WordPress blogs. So as management panel here, where user can do the app settings, like for example he can change the app name right away. He can just change this header color. For example, if I just want it purple color, so I just change it to purple, and when I going to update it, so that color will be changed to purple. Okay, so everything is editable from this user app settings page. So user don't need to have any coding information to change anything inside the application. He can add whatever he wants inside there. Not only that, but there's a user management page as well, where he can see how many people are using the application, and if he wants to ban any user, he can delete them, remove them from using the application right away. So it's kind of very handy application there, and I think you all gonna like it, and let me know.